Welcome back to another video, and today we're doing a review on a recent release from Rivarossi, and this is a relaunch of their HO scale 2-truck Heisler steam locomotive. And this model in particular comes with DCC and sound, and it is the ESU Locksound version 5 decoder. And our model in particular is the West Side Lumber Company, and it is numbered 2. So as you can see, this model comes in the traditional Rivarossi packaging, bright red, and it is a US release, so it has that American or USA flag. So taking a quick look, you have your details on the side of the box. There you go, and it is a soft cardboard box with a window, which as you can see has foam on the inside, so you cannot see the locomotive within. So I'm gonna open it up and we'll take a closer look at what's inside. So now I've taken the top of the box off and I've removed the first foam insert, and as you can see we have the locomotive in full view, and it is inside nice plastic packaging, and it is a clamshell, I believe. But other than that, we have some accessories or extras, if you can see there. So we have an extra axle set, and then we have, I believe, another top to change the fuel load, whether you want coal or oil. The other accessories, of which I'm not too sure what they're for, but yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Oh, and you have a smokestack here. You can change the smokestack. So that's all well and good. But of course, the main piece is the Heisler here. Quickly remove it and take what's out from behind. And there we go. So we have a exploded parts diagram. And then on the other side we have a picture and a installation for a decoder, as well as the accessories or extras that you can swap out. Other than that, once again, just more things. I believe that's just in different languages for some advice on running the locomotive. And then lastly we have functions. So basically this is your manual for the decoder. So that's that, and moving on to the prize. Here we have the Heisler steam locomotive. So I'll quickly remove it so we can take a closer look at the details. Like I said, it is a clamshell like most products come in, and it's got some film over the top, and there you go. You have your Rivarossi Heisler steam locomotive. So I'm going to remove everything that's here, and we're going to have a close-up of the details on this locomotive. So as you can see, we have the Heisler locomotive in front of us, and we're going to go over some details and just look at the locomotive in general just before we put it on the track and see how it runs. So I'm pretty sure this locomotive comes with a die-cast chassis and boiler, but I'm not 100%, but I would assume that's where it gets its weight from. Apart from that, I believe everything is plastic, apart from the bell being brass. You have a knucklehead coupler at either end. We have a few separately applied details, grab irons, railings, your plumbing. It has a reverse light headlight on the top of the cab, and then one on the front, as you saw before. Nice bright numbering and lettering. It's nice and clear, no paint defects from what I can see. It has a builder's plate on the front. If you can see there, just above the front truck. Sorry. And yeah, a very nice locomotive in general. There's not much I can say about it, but apart from that, it's a very nice locomotive. We've had it before. I believe it was last released around 6 or 7 years ago. And yeah, and we have it here all nice and new with the ESU Locksound version 5. And we can't wait to hear what it sounds like. So I think we'll get right onto that and yeah, see how it goes. Just before we get on to running the locomotive, we have received Rivarossi's log cars, and as you can see we have some in the box here, but we've taken the liberty of grabbing some out of the box, and there's one right there, and they all come with a log load as well as some metal chains, and as you can see there, it's all very nice. We've had these before, like I previously mentioned. This is a relaunch from Rivarossi, and these are extremely nice log cars. And of course, this is just to hold the separate logs together, but we will take that off and make sure they are nice and stuck on. And apart from that, we have the Katie Cars logging caboose, which is that one right there. And yeah, this will be nice to have a little weathering project and make sure everything looks nice and used. But apart from that, we'll be using these on the run with the locomotive now. So yeah, we're getting onto that right away. So that wraps up our review and running of Rivarossi's HO scale Heisler steam locomotive. Overall, it's a great model. The ESU Locksound version 5 decoder and the speakers that this locomotive come with are amazing. It really gives a nice depth and boom to such a small locomotive, and it's something you wouldn't expect from its size, but it is fantastic. Definitely would recommend this locomotive. To us, it's an amazing one, and we've had it before. So we love our logging locomotives, and it goes really well with the log cars. So yeah, really nice locomotive. Everything seems on point for what it is. But yeah, really good. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a like, comment any opinions down below, and if you're new around here, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.